All right, so in this video, we will be dealing with a calculation involving volume of a gas. The first of all, I have already highlighted for you the information that has been given and as well as the calculation that we need to do. So a student heats 4.90 gram of potassium chlorate, causing it to decompose completely according to the equation which has been given to you. Now, the first things foremost that I have said, we need to calculate the moles of the substance that has been given. Now, the information is given in mass, so we will be using the formula mole is equals to mass over molar mass. So the mass of potassium chlorate is 4.90 and the molar mass, relative formula mass, is given for potassium chlorate as 122.5. Now, if we calculate this, the value that we get is 0.04. Okay, and the next thing is they want you to calculate the volume of oxygen, but we don't know the moles of oxygen, right? This is where we will be using the molar ratio again. Now, if you focus on the numbers which is given on each of these substance, is we have a 2 over here and we also have a 3 like this, right? So the mole ratio of K2 is actually 2:3. Now, if 2 moles produces 3 moles, that means 1 mole is going to produce 3/2 moles. So this is a factor that we need to use to multiply with the moles of potassium chlorate to get the moles of oxygen. So mole of oxygen is going to be 3/2 times 0.04 moles. Now, if we do that, we get 0.06 mole. So this is the mole of oxygen that will be produced. Now, remember the formula mole is equals to volume divided by molar volume. We will be using this to calculate the volume because this is the only equation that deals with the volume of gases. Now, they did not ask us to calculate the moles of O2, which we already did by using molar ratio. We can tweak this formula and make volume the subject, and we get the equation volume is equals to mole times molar volume. Now, the moles we have already calculated, which is 0.06, and the molar volume was actually 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube. Now, since the question specifically asked to calculate the volume in cm cube, we are going to use molar volume as 24,000. Now, if we do that, the value that we get is 1440 cm cube. So our answer is 1440 cm cube. Hopefully you understand.